Amazon Textract is a document analysis service that detects and extracts printed text, handwriting, structured data, and tables from images and scans of documents without requiring templates or configuration. Amazon Textract uses machine learning models that have been trained on millions of documents, so virtually any document type you upload is automatically recognized and processed for text extraction. Upon extraction, the service returns a confidence score for each element it identifies, so that you can evaluate about how you want to use the results. All extracted data are returned with bounding box coordinates, which is a rectangular frame that fully encompasses each piece of data identified, so that you can quickly identify where a word or number appears on a document. You can access these features with the AWS Management Console, the AWS Command Line interface, or the Amazon Textract API. Benefits. Beyond OCR, Amazon Textract uses optical character recognition to automatically detect data in a scan or rendering of a document, such as a legal document or a scan of a book. Textract then extracts text, relationships, and structure. Document processing. You can quickly automate document processing and act on the information extracted, whether you're automating loans processing or extracting information from invoices and receipts. Textract can extract the data in minutes or hours instead of days. Application integration. Amazon Textract simplifies building text detection capabilities into your applications by using the Amazon Textract text APIs. You don't need computer vision or deep learning expertise. Human reviews. Insert human reviews to provide oversight of your models and manage sensitive workflows using Amazon Augmented AI.